Ever dreamt of automatically organizing those valuable audio insights from your conversations? Let's dive into an amazing automation using Retell AI, Airtable, and In8n to pull off this workflow. First, log into both Retell AI and In8n and you'll need to have your Retell AI account set up and ready with some existing recordings and an Airtable base created. Inside In8n, start by creating a new workflow. We'll begin by searching for and selecting the Retell AI node. This will be our trigger. So connect it to your Retell AI account. You'll likely need to enter your API key to authorize access. After authenticating, configure your Retell AI node. Choose the Get All Recordings action or one that fits your specific trigger. Like new recording made, make sure to select the appropriate project or conversation to capture the correct data. Next, add the Airtable node to your workflow, like the Retell AI node. Link it to your Airtable account, provide your API key and base ID. Also, select the table you want your audio information to go. Now's the important mapping step within the Airtable node. Map the relevant fields from Retell AI to your Airtable table. Select the Airtable column names and match them with the corresponding data fields from Retell AI, such as the audio file URL, conversation ID, and date. Finally, test your workflow. Run the workflow to ensure the data flows correctly from Retell AI to Airtable. Check your Airtable base to verify new entries with the audio file URL are populated. Adjust and optimize your workflow as needed to match your goals. And that's it. Your workflow is ready. Now, automate those audio insights.